Synapse is dead. $160 million gone. Founder, CEO of the company has already moved on to his next project. He's already raised $10 million for his next venture. Everyone who had money in anything touched by Synapse is now left in the lurch. I'm Timothy Emery. I represent consumers and workers in class action litigation against large corporations. Basically, we stick up for the little guy, we take down the big guy. When Synapse went bankrupt, it affected multiple fintech companies. Synapse is a middleman. It sits between fintech and banking. As soon as Synapse collapsed, all the funds held by those fintechs immediately got paused. Basically, the connection between the fintech and the banks was broken. A lot of people think, okay, well, that just means there's going to be a delay in me getting my money back. It's not really how it works. Because trust is now eroded in fintech, some of this money might be gone for good. I've got clients calling me now who are sending me notices saying I was owed $84,000, I'm going to get $30 back. And I know this has happened to a lot of people. That money should be backed by one of the 3 or 4 banks that was guaranteeing this money. These banks need to make good on the money that was deposited. And those banks are Lineage, American Bank, AMG National Trust, and of course Evolve. Anyone in the Synapse ecosystem that can see their balance but can't access their funds should be able to get that money back if they're willing to sue one of these corporations, one of these banks. There's no reason why these banks should be able to hide behind these fintechs that aren't properly capitalized and not have to pay these people back. You, if you're listening to this and you're one of these people that can look at your balance of $84,000 but can't get your money out, you are entitled to have that money back. Other people ask me, well, what's this going to cost me? I'm going to pay more to a lawyer than I'm going to get back. Most class action lawyers, including this class action litigation firm, just works on contingency. In other words, we get paid from the company that gives the money back. Simply put, I work on contingency, my firm works on contingency. We only get paid if we get our clients' money. This is not a plea for clients. Some people don't want to sue. Some people think it's worth just walking away. But especially if you have a balance of $100 or $200, a lot of people think, why should I care about this? I took a gamble on fintech and I lost, I'll move on. If it were me, I'd want justice. If it were me, I'd want to see that the right thing's done. The banks are going to do everything they can not to pay. Anyone who's looked at their balance and seen that it's frozen, there's a good chance they're not getting that money back until these banks are sued and forced to repay it. And that's where we come in. Our job over the next few weeks is to investigate this and then to file a class action against these banks, forcing them to the table, forcing them to answer for the money that's been taken.
If your funds are held in one of these fintechs, or if you bank with any of these institutions, Emery Reddy would be pleased to investigate your potential claim. This is a rapidly evolving problem that will continue to affect more fintechs and banks in the coming months. Don't wait. Contact Emery Reddy to discuss your options and take the first step towards securing what's yours.